So for today, I'm going to answer F5 number 2. So the problem is, determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at the pin A in the reaction on the beam C. So as you can see here on our figure, we have our pin A, so which has two reactions. It is our AX, here is our AY. And the reaction on the beam C. So since here is equals to here, and the question stated that we should find a reaction on the beam C, so we're going to have here, which is our Fy, in here our Fx. So first, we need to find our angle. So how do we find our angle? So we draw a triangle here. So since this has distance in here also, which is 1.5 and 1.5, so we're going to put here our angle. So we're going to use arctan, which is arc tan divided by our opposite and our adjacent. So which has the answer of is equals to 45 degrees. So here, which has 45 degrees. So since we found our angle, now we're going to find our moment A. Talay na. Gusto mo?
48 degrees ang angle.
Okay. Anak. So since we find our angle, we're going to solve our moment A, which is here. So we assume that everything that goes clockwise is positive. So we have our summation, and A is equals to 0. So first we have our Fy, which is here. So we have negative Fy because it is going counterclockwise. So we have negative Fy times its distance, which is here. Which is here, since it is perpendicular to the force. So we have 1.5 meters. And R 4 kilonewton. Since it is going clockwise, it is positive. So positive 4 times its distance again, which is going to become 3 meters. That. Then we're going to transpose, which is we have our answer. Fy is equals to 8 kilonewton. Then, since this is 45 degrees,
Per meter.
Ikat na, kilonewton per meter. Since we have our Fy, which is here, is equivalent to 8 kilonewton. So, since it is 45 degrees, so we have a 90 degrees is equal. So we have our Fx is equals to 8 kilonewton because it is the same. So after that, we need, then we go to get our summation of Fx equal to 0. So we're going to assume that everything that goes up is positive. Everything that goes right is positive. So we have Fx. So we have our Fx here. which is 8 kilonewton. It is positive because it is going to the right side. And we have our AX. So we have our negative AX since this goes to the left. Then it's equals to 0, which have AX is equals to 8 kilonewton. We define our Fy. Summation of Fy is we are assuming that everything goes up is positive. So we have here our Ay, positive Ay. Since Fy is going up, we have positive Fy, which is equivalent to 8 minus 4 because it is going down. Then we have our Ay. So we transpose it. That is equals to negative 8 plus 4 is equals to negative 4 kilonewton. So because it is negative, it is going down. So here. So here is our final figure. I mean, infinity. Here, positive Newton. Here, our AX, and here